Please tell me, where is your house located? Do you live in rented house or you have your sweet home? How many rooms are in your house? How many windows and doors are in your bedroom? Is there any guest room in your house? What does your mother keep in the storeroom? Who cooks food in the kitchen? What type of facilities are there in your bathroom? What facilities are there at your home? Is there any proper ventilation in your house? What is the difference between roof and ceiling? How many cupboards are there in your bedroom? Is there any ledge in your room? Do you have multi-storied building? Do you live on ground floor or first floor? Is there any kitchen in your house? Do you have any courtyard at your house? Who reads in the reading room? Is there any water tank in your house? Is there any small garden in your house? Thank you.